What's up, Hugo Bear? I'm leaving. Going to drop off the Jeep, pal. Going to take it up to Adam. Make it faster, because we know you love faster, don't you? Don't you? You look like you're sad or something. What's going on out here? Taking a nap? Enjoying the cold? All right, well, you be a good boy. See you later. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Got a big surprise for you today that you guys didn't expect to probably see coming, in my opinion. And as you guys can see, I'm sick as shit, but there is snow on the ground. And once again, this was not something I think you guys saw coming. So stay tuned, and here we go. Sorry for the mess of the garage, so I have to clean it up. Put everything away here, make room for the second car, which will be coming home sooner than you think. So I just had this thing started up. I haven't taken it out in a while, obviously because of the snow on the ground and the salt and shitty Chicago weather, but it kind of just sits in the garage in the winter. So this is the first time it's seen daylight in man, over a week. So hopefully it starts up pretty good. Nice, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Shame that you guys aren't gonna be able to hear it, because this thing sounds pretty mild on camera, but it is super bassy. So not like an NA car or a naturally aspirated car, which you know, sounds a little raspier. This thing is just deep. So just think bass guitar to the max, and then pretty mild, obviously, as far as just noise. But sounds good to me. Could be a little bit louder, but whatever. So, like I said, we're gonna let this thing warm up for a couple minutes. We're gonna take this thing over to Adam at 80 Motorsports. Big surprise for you guys today. Not gonna tell you exactly what we're doing yet. I'll let Adam explain it when we get up there. And let's just say for now, more boost, and it's gonna be a shit ton faster. So I'm pulling the trigger on something medium big. We'll call it stage 2 of the build. And like I said, hopefully you guys enjoy it. So we'll be up there in about, it takes a while to get up there, so we'll be up there in about 45 minutes. And like I said, we'll talk to Adam once we get up there and kind of reveal the secret for you. What's good, baby? It's holiday season. Kind of sad Thanksgiving's over, but you know, it's all good. Still got Christmas. I get up in it. You know I eat my spinach. Trying to stay nutritious, cause I gotta flex on Christmas. Bring the litness. Gravy train. Your mama is a witness. Gold chain with the turtleneck, cause it's Christmas. Got the ice. All I want for Christmas is some ice. Bitch. I only know what else I asked for Christmas, baby. All I want for Christmas is some ice. Look down at my wrist, it look like the Northern Lights. Sugar with the spice, bitch, everything nice, bitch. I pull up my sleeve, it feel like I hit the light switch. I feel that Christmas weather, so I got my crispy sweater. Sipping on some scotch while I write your bitch a letter about how I'm better and how I got this cheddar. Young Gravy, how you so fucking clever. Watch it. Alright, y'all, we're here. We have arrived, 80 Motorsports. There's the little blue demon, which is exciting. Always good to see her. Alright, let's go see what Adam's got there. Wonder if this thing's done. What's good, baby? It's holiday season. Kind of sad Thanksgiving's over, but you know, it's all good. Still got Christmas. I get up in it. You know I eat my spinach. Trying to stay nutritious, cause I gotta flex on Christmas. Bring the litness. Gravy train. Your mama is a witness. Gold chain with the turtleneck, cause it's Christmas. Got the ice. All I want for Christmas is some ice. ice, 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 bitch. I don't really know what else I'd ask for Christmas, baby. All I want for Christmas is some ice. Look down at my wrist, it look like the Northern Lights. Sugar with the spice, bitch, everything nice, bitch. I pull up my sleeve, it feel like I hit the light switch. I feel that Christmas weather, so I got my crispy sweater. Sipping on some scotch while I write your bitch a letter about how I'm better and how I got this cheddar. Young gravy, how you so fucking clever. Watching ink dripping off my pen feather. Got a girl you need finessed, it would be my pleasure. I get up in it, you know I eat my spinach. Trying to stay nutritious, cause I gotta flex on Christmas. Bring the litness,
Gravy
your
train.
mama is a witness. Gold chain with the turtleneck, cause it's Christmas. Got the ice, 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 ice. All I want for Christmas is some ice, 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 bitch. Well, I hope you guys enjoy what we brought you today. Merry Christmas. Bitch, I ain't finished. My side bitch is a gymnast. Before I lay the pipe, I gotta stretch for 30 minutes, cause it's Christmas. She can do it by herself, but she got real excited when I dressed up like an elf. You know I got the whole outfit. Bells on my kicks just so I can see some tits. Lickety split. Fuck around and make a snowman on your bitch. And that's some shit. This time of year I'm usually pouring eggnog on some tits. Bitch. Back in old girl, feels good. So the repairs weren't officially completed on this thing, unfortunately. We're still waiting for the oil line to come from WTF Tuning in Utah, but basically we need a different oil line that goes to the Garrett turbo because we were getting a little bit of burnt oil out the exhaust. So apparently, I believe it wasn't getting enough lubrication or too much, one or the other, I can't remember. But so we'll bring that back up basically once the Jeep's done and swap these things out again, get that put on to take care of that issue with this girl right here. But like I said, big things. I know I told you guys I would tell you what we were doing exactly today, but Adam was pretty busy. So for now, we're just going to drop the Jeep off, as you guys can see in the back there. And then I'm going to be back up here tomorrow morning over the weekend to basically document the surgery that's going to happen. So we'll leave it at that. But look forward to talking to you guys again tomorrow, and maybe I'll give you guys some bonus coverage if it's not too nasty yet with the Evo on the way home. But it's pretty cold, and it really doesn't get much traction. So I know it says 40 degrees, but it definitely isn't 40 degrees. I think it's 15 degrees. So that thing's got to do some adjusting. But we'll check back in, y'all.